What really happens to your body, mind, and overall health if you decide to eat nuts every single day for an entire month? This is a question many people ask when they start paying more attention to nutrition and healthy habits. And the answer is actually very interesting because nuts are among the most nutrient-dense natural foods you can include in your daily diet. When consumed in the right portions and in their natural form, nuts can have a powerful impact on different systems in the body, from the heart and brain to digestion, skin, and energy levels. Eating nuts daily introduces a steady supply of healthy fats, plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and important minerals that support long-term wellness and may even help prevent certain chronic health issues. One of the first noticeable changes many people experience after including nuts regularly is an improvement in heart health, because nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to help lower levels of harmful LDL cholesterol while supporting higher levels of beneficial HDL cholesterol. This balance is important for maintaining flexible blood vessels and healthy circulation, which may reduce the long-term risk of heart disease and stroke. Over time, consistent nut consumption can also help reduce inflammation in the body, a hidden factor linked to many lifestyle-related conditions. Another effect that often surprises people is the influence nuts can have on body weight. Although nuts are calorie-dense, they are also extremely satisfying and can help control appetite by promoting a feeling of fullness that lasts longer than many processed snacks. This means that people who replace sugary or refined foods with a moderate portion of nuts may naturally reduce their total calorie intake and experience gradual weight loss. However, this benefit depends heavily on portion control because eating large amounts of nuts mindlessly can easily lead to excess calorie consumption and eventual weight gain. The body responds best when nuts are eaten in balanced amounts, such as a small handful per day, allowing their nutrients to support metabolism without overwhelming energy intake. Over a period of 30 days, some individuals notice fewer cravings, more stable blood sugar levels, and a better relationship with hunger signals, which can make healthy eating easier to maintain. Daily nut consumption may also support brain health and cognitive performance due to the presence of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These compounds play a role in protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and may contribute to improved memory, sharper focus, and a more stable mood. Some people report feeling mentally clearer or more productive when they include nuts as part of breakfast or as a midday snack, especially when replacing ultra-processed foods that cause energy crashes. Over the course of a month, this steady nutritional support may help maintain consistent mental energy and emotional balance, which is valuable in today's fast-paced lifestyle. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. In addition to mental benefits, nuts can also assist with physical performance and recovery because they provide plant protein along with minerals such as magnesium and iron, both essential for muscle function and oxygen transport in the body. Individuals who exercise regularly or lead physically demanding lives may notice reduced fatigue, improved endurance, and faster recovery after workouts when nuts become part of their routine nutrition. Digestive health is another area where nuts can make a meaningful difference. Their natural fiber content helps promote regular bowel movements and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a key role in immunity, nutrient absorption, and even mood regulation. Over several weeks, people who previously struggled with mild constipation or irregular digestion may experience improvement simply by adding fiber-rich nuts to meals or snacks. This gradual change can contribute to a healthier gut environment, which influences many aspects of overall well-being. At the same time, nuts contain antioxidants and vitamin E that may benefit skin appearance by helping reduce inflammation and protecting against oxidative damage caused by environmental stressors. Some individuals notice their skin looks more hydrated or radiant after consistent nut consumption, although results can vary depending on overall diet, hydration, and lifestyle factors such as sleep and stress. Despite these positive effects, it is important to understand that eating too many nuts can lead to unwanted side effects. Because they are high in calories and fats, excessive intake may result in weight gain, digestive discomfort such as bloating or gas, or in some cases skin breakouts for sensitive individuals. Certain nuts are also extremely rich in specific minerals, meaning overconsumption could create imbalances in the body. For example, nuts that contain very high amounts of selenium should be eaten in small quantities to avoid potential toxicity. This highlights the importance of moderation and variety when building a daily nut habit. Choosing raw or dry roasted unsalted nuts is generally considered the healthiest option because it avoids unnecessary sodium and unhealthy oils that are often added during commercial processing. Mixing different types of nuts can provide a broader spectrum of nutrients, helping the body receive balanced support rather than an overload of any single compound. In practical terms, incorporating nuts into daily life can be simple and enjoyable. They can be eaten as a convenient snack during busy workdays, added to yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast, sprinkled over salads for extra crunch and nutrition, or blended into smoothies to increase protein and healthy fat intake. Over a 30-day period, this small but consistent dietary change can contribute to more stable energy levels, improved satiety, and a sense of nourishment that supports both physical and mental performance. Many people find that once they develop the habit of eating nuts regularly, they naturally reduce their reliance on processed snack foods, which further enhances long-term health outcomes. Ultimately, the impact of eating nuts every day depends on portion size, overall diet quality, activity level, and individual metabolism. But when approached mindfully, this simple habit can become a powerful step toward better health, stronger immunity, and improved quality of life. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button and share it with someone who loves healthy tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments. Do you eat nuts every day, and which ones are your favorite? Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.